महाराष्ट्र में एज पर द फूड सेफ्टी एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 2006, food safety commissioner of the state are empowered to take action as per section 30 also, particularly section 30 clause 2 subclause A, which empowers the food safety commissioner of the state to prohibit certain food item for a particular period, particular geography, 1 year at a time maximum. और वो पावर के हिसाब से महाराष्ट्र में पहले से ही गुटखा या अनुषंगिक जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, फूड प्रोडक्ट्स है, आइटम्स है, उसमें प्रोहिबिशन है. महाराष्ट्र में बिकॉज देर इज़ ए इशू, एनालॉग पनीर का एक इशू जो है, दैट इज़ अबाउट, एंड देर इज़ ए इशू ऑफ health concerns by consumption of it, because it is made up of non-dairy products, and the test results of last 1 year during the 2025-26 ये साल में उनकी टोटल हमने जो सैंपल ली थी उसमें से लगभग 35.4% जो सैंपल्स है उसमें अनसेफ है, सबस्टैंडर्ड पाया गया है. और उसमें जो मेजर इंग्रेडिएंट हमें मिले हैं वो बेसिकली इज palm oil or fat which is not non-milk fat. So उस हिसाब से फॉरेन फैट और फॉरेन प्रोडक्ट उसमें मिले गए हैं, पाए गए हैं. और पनीर इज रेगुलेटेड एज पर रेगुलेशन नंबर 2.1.16 जो रेगुलेशंस है उस हिसाब से है. एनालॉग पनीर के लिए देर इज नो स्टैंडर्ड्स डिफाइंड एज सच. सो इन द स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द टेस्ट्स which are available for the 308 samples for the last financial year, of which 35.4% have been found either substandard or unsafe. Along with that, there are a lot of discussion in the media, among the public representatives, among the concerned citizens, that analog paneer is not good for health, and as the tests have indicated that yes, a huge percentage of which has been found unsafe, which is not good for human consumption. So as per the powers vested in me as a food safety commissioner of the state, as per section 30 subclause 2 subclause A, beginning with 30th of July 2026, we have prohibited production, transport, processing, storage and sale of analog or non-dairy products in the state of Maharashtra. Henceforward, nobody can produce it, nobody can store it, nobody can sell it, nobody can process it. So all the FBOs who are involved in this are hereby advised and directed that they should not use analog or non-dairy paneer in the state of Maharashtra. This is done to protect the public health, keeping in interest of the public health in Maharashtra. This applies to the whole of Maharashtra. We appeal to all these establishments to stop immediately use, sale, transportation, production, processing of analog or non-dairy paneer in the state of Maharashtra, so that we can achieve the goal of safe food, safe drug and healthy Maharashtra. Right? This is part first. Second was regarding the actions taken in Maharashtra, particularly since 5th of May 2026 when I joined in food sector till 31st of July 2026. What we have done here is we have inspected 3,137 establishments during this period, of which 764 establishments have been given improvement notices and licenses of 165 establishments have been suspended. Total food products seized or destroyed is to the tune of 28 lakh 66,000 kg. The cost or the pricing of which is around 55 crore rupees. If you look at the hotel, restaurant, eateries, establishment, total establishments checked about HRE are 890, improvement notice are issued to 329, licenses suspended are 116. If you look at prohibited items, that is gutkha and others, because this analog paneer is just prohibited right now. Prohibited items, total establishments found are 658 which were inspected. The cost, the seizure of the prohibited items is to the tune of 15.11 crores. FIRs filed are 519. Arrested people in these prohibited items are 701. 407 establishments have been sealed and 78 vehicles have been seized. Another part, if you look at milk establishments, during this period we have inspected 487 milk establishments. Improvement notices are given to 218, 33 licenses have been cancelled and 11 FIRs have been filed in this sector. If you look at milk products, 476 milk product establishments have been inspected, 196 establishments have given improvement notice, 16 licenses have been suspended and 2 FIRs have been filed in this case. If you look at HRE, 890 establishments have been inspected, improvement notice given 329, 116 establishments of HRE have been suspended. Others, excluding these three and prohibited, are 608 establishments inspected, of which 36 crore is the cost of the seized and destroyed products. So this is by and large the actions taken by inspections and thereafter on food items. As far as there is a confusion regarding suspension of licenses, forthwith licenses or improvement notice, once the license is suspended by designated officer or assistant commissioner, the appeal lies before the commissioner, food safety of state. I have received 103 appeals, of which I have granted interim stay on 30, that is suspension have been revoked temporarily till the final decision is there or further decision is there. I have taken hearings and reserved for order 38 and pending cases are still 35, of which the next hearing will be on Tuesday. Every Tuesday I take hearings. The question of why no notices are given, again as I gave the numbers, we give improvement notices, the number is larger, I just disclosed you the numbers. Suspension or forthwith suspension happens only and only in case where public health is likely to be endangered because of the unsafe food or unsafe products, and the Act provides for forthwith suspension under section 32 subsection 3 proviso. So the power is vested in the designated officer to go for suspension, forthwith suspension, and that is used only in cases of unsafe food or there is a likely endangerment to the public health. So this is overall information, and I have called this press conference for two purposes. One, the prohibition of analog paneer or non-dairy paneers in the state of Maharashtra, and other the actions taken in food sector since 25th of July to till 31st of 25th of May to 31st of July.